I interrupted. You were saying something.
So hi, we are with the three great people over here, Manmohan sir, Roshan Abbas sir and Meghna ma'am. On the day of convocation of Whistling Woods International and the students over there. So I just had this one question from the three of you, starting from Meghna ma'am, because you are from the institution. Like, every year there's a new wave of student, there's a new, different student comes in. How as an institution you are channelizing their energy and bringing out the best in them and pushing them into the world out there?
Yeah, I think that's a great question because these generations are changing sooner than we can actually imagine, and the way they are, it's almost like the DNA is changing, and the way they learn is so fabulous. They are self-learners after all. So I think for us at Whistling Woods, the important thing is to make them feel at home, for us to give them a platform or a space where they can explore, they can be themselves, they can feel included. I think that's a very important part of their journey at Whistling Woods. And of course, bring the best people from the industry to them so that they can just learn from people's experiences. And of course, the teachers, the faculty, we are university partners, Tata Institute of Social Sciences. So of course, there's structure. But I think for me, primarily, what really matters is how to make good citizens out of the children, the students who come into our institute. Because knowledge, it's on their fingertips. And like Mr. Abbas very nicely said, that ethics is what they need to learn. I also feel like coming to an institute like Whistling Woods, which is multifaceted with so many different schools, but all related to the entertainment and creative industries, it gives them a huge opportunity to network with each other. So the friendships that they make here is what really takes them and makes them feel comfortable. So today, while they were graduating, they're nervous, they're excited, but one thing they're very sure of, that they've made such good friends. And they've seen this. It's actually been a proof of the last 17, 18 years of our existence, where our graduates, our alumni, really stick together and they look out for each other. So I think there's a family right there in the industry which our students are aware of, and that is the kind of space I want them to have, to be able to always come back to the campus when they need it. And yeah.
That's the kind of space you're creating.
And
here.
that's the space we created, yes.
Manmohan sir, I had a question for you. Is that, you have seen the industry changing, the people coming and going, all these decades that you have been here. Especially coming today, you have seen all these great students, taking all these huge awards for whatever they have done in the 3 years. Like, I wanted to ask you, is that like this year, or how the generation is changing, what do you see that one thing that they can now maybe pounce on, or maybe like carry forward the legacy, like that one thing you would want them to work upon now because of the AI and everything that we had spoken. Now what is that one thing, or things that you want them to like explore more?
See, it's not one thing, for example. And
Yeah.
coming and going is not there. Going is not there. They come in media, they'll remain there.
Yeah.
Media as far as they work. So if you go back, we used to have one Doordarshan a few years ago.
Yeah.
You have 800 working channels today. It is just television.
Yeah.
You can imagine, and they run 24 hours.
Absolutely.
So you imagine how much content. It's very difficult to arithmetically say how much hour, how much quantity they need to work, and it needs to be there to play, and somebody has to create it. And these are the kind of a talent only can create. Adds into post-pandemic, the OTT platform economy. Forget the film. We still do 1,500, 2,000 films in the country. That is not reduced. But that many more people have trained. So they have the original, new talent opportunities to work.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So as far as they do good work, again, you go to AI, go to anywhere, unless you know how to tell a story better or a proper, then those tools will not help. As Mr. Abbas said, tools you should use to say what you honestly want to say. Then only it will work. But if you are honest to say, there are opportunities to do. And every student has an opportunity as of now, I feel, which was not there 10, 15 years ago. If coming out FTI, and by then, I think they found it very difficult to find an opportunity to where to go. Whereas today it is all this one. And I feel after a few years, campus will be apartment will start because this is that much talent is required. So much work is being done. So they are in good time, but they should not take it for granted. But they are in good time.
One more question that, as ma'am said, that you have been a founding member to Whistling Woods International. So right from that time to now in 2024, where everything is changing so drastically, what have you like seen in the institution changing? Like, you know, or you want to like appreciate that they are also adapting with the new time?
No, they had, for example, what they started with 3-4 courses, they are doing so many now, and they probably had very less students. Now they have too many. What I was expecting also from Meghna was she will have probably, you know, one in Delhi, one in Hyderabad, one in Chennai, the divisions of Whistling Woods. I hope you do, because there also people, the youngsters want to be trained, and I think it's an opportunity for her also, because now that the institution is established, there is a brand name, there is a credibility. I think they should do, and proper training is very important. It is, and fortunately, most of the parents today don't object people going into media or entertainment space. So there is an opportunity to do that. I suppose they should grow. But coming back to the question, I think they've grown very well, and thanks to Meghna and his team.
Okay. Roshan sir, this is my second interview with you, so I'll be like really, you know, strict with you. Is
Good
that-
Lord. What did I do the first time?
You were busy for the first time, that's why. So, you know, you have been in the event space, you have been in the media space, you have been in the film space. Let's come back to, you know, the basics because of the education, you know. What do you think that is required out there right now in the industry? And, you know, if you can chime in about, you know, the kind of changes that you would want to bring in academically, you know, in the industry.
So, see, the first thing is that if you look at what does an academic institution provide you today, you can get knowledge anywhere. It is application which makes knowledge unique.
Absolutely.
And for that you need great teachers. I still remember the 2 teachers who changed my life in school, because they were the ones who inspired me to think Shakespeare is different, theatre is different, etc. I still have one teacher from mass communication who taught me what spaces were by just making us cut pieces of white and black paper and stick them to show what can be depth in a frame. I still remember that lesson because the teacher was so inspiring. Teachers inspire students. All students are matchboxes, are matches. Teachers like them, right? And that's what actually ends up happening, which is one unique. The other thing also is that the diversity of courses. I'm just going to repeat. Actually, you should never ask Meghna the first question. She gives all the answers. So all I wanted to say was ditto at one point. But no, but I'll tell you one thing. The other thing is, see, what they were talking about, the network effect of great colleges are the alumni network. I was from Hindu college. I travel, I'm telling you, everywhere in the world I find one person. You know, somewhere in the bureaucracy, somewhere in the revenue service, somewhere at the airport. Koi na koi kaam ho jata hai. Similarly, 3,000 kids have passed out from here over the years. They have built a great alumni network. That network is very supportive at 1T. The other thing is that I think they've always been able to see what is coming next and built a course. I have come from the time when they launched fashion and design. From the time that now there's a social media course. Why? Because that is the new space where they're creating. As creators, stages keep changing. I started in theatre. 500 लोग होते थे. I went to radio, एक शहर सुनता था. I went to television, a country used to watch. I did a film, you can watch it whenever.
Yeah.
Right? So the medium requires different kind of thought process.
Yeah.
Right? And that is what I think experience, teachers, etc. teach you at some degree. Also, my teacher had told me in mass communication, he said, 2 साल में तुम फीस भरते हो 1 लाख, हम तुम पे 16 लाख का सामान खर्चते हैं. Right? He says, ये 2 साल तुम्हें जितने experiment करना है कर लो, because when you go out, no one will let you play on their money.
Yeah.
In college, these kids must be doing some crazy things. But that's because college allows you to experiment. When you go out, you don't get that opportunity. And that is what a great college is about, which is what I think Whistling Woods does.
Like providing the infrastructure for experimenting also.
Also, see, infrastructure anybody could give you.
Yeah.
It is the inspiration and the courage and the ethical values and telling them this is good and this is bad, what you can create. I really feel that one thing which Meghna should do is set up a small incubation cell here. यहीं पर स्क्रिप्ट है, यहीं पर फिल्म है, यहीं पर एक्टर है, यहाँ पे सभी यहीं से बनके चला जाएगा. शेट्टी साहब रिलीज कर देंगे. You know, why not? Because I'm telling you, forms of content are changing. I was with the channel this morning who said, can you just create shows in 2 minutes? Right?
Okay.
Imagine from the time where we used to create a 1 hour series, you know, eight, now I'm asked to create a 2 minute story.
Absolutely.
So this generation will find their own space. A very good friend of mine said that the more dots in a picture, the more high definition it becomes. There are now 3,000 dots out there from Whistling Woods. They're creating a unique high definition picture. The more they will be, the better the pictures will be.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. These
Sir.
are my questions.